In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel banner or YouTube channel artwork. To begin, log into YouTube and come over to your YouTube icon over here. Go to view your channel. You can select customize channel. Now, if you have your banner, simply hit upload and select the banner you've created and hit open. And what you are seeing here is they are trying to tell you that when you are seeing it on desktop, this entire portion will be seen, but on mobile device, only this portion will be seen. And this is why I recommend using Canva, because Canva understands the templates for mobile version. So they are showing you that your YouTube name will be there, what the channel is about will be there in the mobile version, the logo will be there, and the subscribe, which means that the most important details have already been factored into creating this template. But if you don't use Canva, you may find important details hanging somewhere around the top and the bottom, which will be missing in the mobile version. So I highly recommend you use Canva. Now your banner automatically change over here. Once you're done, come over here and hit publish. And that's it, guys, on how to change your YouTube channel banner or your YouTube channel artwork.